Hello and welcome back to Sephia Spaces, where we explore homes that tell a story beyond walls and windows. Today, we're stepping into a serene lakeside retreat, a home where nature, tranquility, and timeless design come together in perfect harmony. Nestled beside calm waters and surrounded by lush greenery, this house invites us into a slower, more peaceful way of living. Let's begin our journey. One, street view, opening shot. From the quiet curve of the road, this home reveals itself like a hidden sanctuary. Tall trees frame the scene, their leaves gently swaying in the breeze, creating a natural canopy that filters soft daylight onto the property. The house sits gracefully by the lake, its white exterior glowing subtly against the rich greens and blues of nature. There's an immediate sense of calm here. No noise, no rush, just the stillness of water and the quiet rhythm of the surroundings. Driveway. As we move along the gravel driveway, the sound beneath our steps adds a rustic charm to the experience. The path curves naturally, guiding us closer to the house while maintaining a sense of privacy. On one side, lush landscaping blends seamlessly into the natural terrain, while on the other, glimpses of the lake appear between trees. The driveway doesn't just serve as access, it builds anticipation, slowly revealing more of the home's character with every step forward. Front yard. The front yard feels like a carefully curated extension of the surrounding nature. Soft green lawns are accented with blooming flowers and well-shaped shrubs, creating a balanced yet organic look. The landscaping is elegant without being overly structured, allowing the home to feel welcoming rather than formal. Every element, from the placement of plants to the gentle slope of the ground, works together to guide the eye toward the entrance while maintaining a relaxed countryside charm. Porch. The front porch is simple yet inviting, offering a quiet place to sit and take in the beauty of the surroundings. A cozy chair and subtle decor create a warm, lived-in atmosphere. From here, the lake is visible just beyond the garden, and the gentle sounds of nature fill the air. This space feels like a transition point between the outside world and the comfort of the home, a place to pause, breathe, and settle into the peaceful rhythm of lakeside living. Entryway. Stepping inside, the entryway welcomes us with warmth and simplicity. Natural light filters through the windows, illuminating soft tones and clean lines. The materials feel grounded: wood, subtle textures, and neutral colors that reflect the calmness outside. There's an immediate sense of openness, as if the home is inviting you to move freely and explore without barriers. It's a quiet introduction to the spaces beyond. Living room. The living room is the heart of the home, designed for comfort and connection. Large windows frame breathtaking views of the lake, allowing nature to become part of the interior. Soft furnishings, warm lighting, and natural textures create a cozy yet refined atmosphere. The space feels both intimate and open, perfect for quiet evenings or meaningful conversations. Every detail, from the arrangement of furniture to the flow of light, enhances the feeling of calm and relaxation. Dining room. Adjacent to the living area, the dining room offers a space where meals become experiences. Positioned to capture views of the outdoors, it feels connected to the changing light throughout the day. The design is understated yet elegant, allowing the surroundings to take center stage. Whether it's a casual breakfast or a long dinner with loved ones, this space encourages slow, mindful moments. Kitchen. The kitchen blends functionality with warmth, creating a space that feels both practical and inviting. Clean surfaces, natural materials, and thoughtful lighting make it a pleasure to use. Large windows bring in natural light, making the space feel open and alive. It's a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for gathering, where conversations flow as easily as meals are prepared. Pantry. Tucked neatly beside the kitchen, the pantry adds both convenience and organization. Shelving is designed to maximize space while maintaining a clean aesthetic. It's a quiet, functional area that supports the flow of daily life, ensuring everything has its place while keeping the main kitchen uncluttered. Bedroom. The bedroom is a peaceful retreat designed for rest and relaxation. Soft tones, gentle lighting, and minimal decor create a calming environment. Windows allow natural light to enter during the day while offering serene views of the surrounding landscape. At night, the space transforms into a quiet sanctuary, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Closet. The closet is thoughtfully designed to be both functional and elegant. Storage is organized in a way that feels intuitive, with enough space to keep everything accessible yet tidy. The design maintains the home's overall aesthetic, ensuring even practical spaces feel refined and cohesive. Bathroom. The bathroom continues the theme of calm simplicity. Clean lines, soft lighting, and natural textures create a spa-like atmosphere. Every detail, from the fixtures to the layout, contributes to a sense of relaxation. It's a space designed not just for routine, but for quiet moments of self-care. Office. The home office is a peaceful workspace positioned to take advantage of natural light and inspiring views. It's a place where focus comes naturally, away from distractions. The design is minimal yet warm, creating an environment that supports both productivity and creativity. Library. The library is a cozy, introspective space filled with warmth and character. Shelves lined with books create a sense of depth and personality. Soft lighting and comfortable seating make it an ideal place to read, reflect, or simply enjoy a quiet moment. It's a space that feels timeless, inviting you to slow down and immerse yourself in thought. Patio. Stepping outside to the patio, the connection to nature becomes even more apparent. The space is designed for relaxation, with seating arranged to take in the lake view. It's perfect for morning coffee or evening conversations, where the outdoors becomes an extension of the home. Backyard. The backyard flows naturally toward the lake, creating a seamless transition between home and landscape. The garden feels organic, blending with the surrounding environment rather than competing with it. It's a space that encourages outdoor living, whether it's a quiet walk, a gathering, or simply enjoying the view. Backyard sunset, ending shot. As the sun begins to set, the entire scene transforms. Warm golden light reflects off the water, casting a soft glow across the house and garden. The sky shifts in color, and the atmosphere becomes even more tranquil. It's a moment that captures the true essence of this home: peaceful, timeless, and deeply connected to nature. Thank you for joining us on this serene journey with Sephia Spaces. This lakeside home reminds us that true luxury isn't just about design, it's about the feeling a space gives you. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring homes. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring beautiful spaces with Sephia Spaces.